If you suffer from headaches, you're not alone. Many people get them frequently and struggle to find relief. In this video, we'll show you an easy natural remedy that can help get rid of your headaches in just a few minutes. Watch the video now to learn more. Peppermint. One potential remedy for headaches is peppermint. Peppermint oil has been shown to help improve mental clarity and reduce headaches. It is thought that the menthol in peppermint oil helps to open up the sinuses and improve blood flow to the head, which can help relieve headaches. In addition, peppermint oil has a refreshing smell that can help to improve mood and provide relief from stress. Ginger. One possible remedy for headaches is ginger. Ginger is a plant that has been used for centuries in Asia for medicinal purposes. It is thought to help relieve headaches because it is a natural anti-inflammatory and analgesic. Ginger can be taken in many forms, including as a tea, capsule, or tincture. Some people also find relief by chewing on fresh ginger roots. Lavender. The lavender remedy is a folk remedy that is used to get relief from headaches. It is made by mixing lavender oil with carrier oil, such as almond oil. The mixture is then applied to the temples and forehead to help relieve pain. Lavender is a natural analgesic and anti-inflammatory agent, so it is thought to be effective in relieving headaches. Headaches can be debilitating and frustrating. However, they can also be relieved with this easy natural remedy. By following these remedies, you can get relief from your headaches and start feeling better. Thanks for watching.